All right, it is about 9:30 in the morning, and now you wouldn't be able to tell that because right now it is so dark outside. The sun should be right here. I'm facing east right now. You should be able to see the sun in the shot, but because of all the ash in the air from the nearby volcano eruption on the island of St. Vincent, a lot of which has been, because of the direction of the wind, passing right over Barbados, all you get is this really dark, gray, smoggy, hazy air. Normally Barbados is extremely blue skies, very few clouds, and at 9:30 it is just so dark out. In fact, I want to show you the craziest thing. So this is my landlord's car, and if I can get close enough to it, all of this little dirt and dust and grime, this is volcanic ash that fell on her car overnight. None of this was there last night. Just a layer of ash all over her car. And if I take my finger, oh, it's just crazy. So like I said, it's 9:30 in the morning. The sun should be right there. You can't see it at all. And if I walk this way, start to face west, and west is the direction of the island of St. Vincent, where the volcano is located. This volcano hasn't erupted since 1979, and I think I heard or read somewhere that a lot of ash fell on Barbados the last time. And those darker gray things in the air, that's an actual cloud. Everything else is just the haziness of volcanic ash. And on a normal day you could see the ocean. You can't see a thing. It's crazy. They're advising us to stay inside. So I should probably do that.